Hello friends, my name is Desai Hital, Ashramik Vidyalaya, Kerala, Pade. Standard 7, Subject Sanskrit, Chapter number 8, Shamayah means time. It is important to know and inform of what time it is. We measure our life in minutes, hours, days, months and years. How to tell the time and how to write it in Sanskrit described in these chapters. Kah Shamayah, what is time is it? First, Sardh Panchvadanam means half past quarter. Sardashadvadanam means half past. Sardhanavvadanam, Sardh Trivadanam, Sapat Trivadanam, Shapat Chaturvadanam, Sapat Dashvadanam, Shapat Ashtavadanam, Pado Nadasvadanam, Pado Nadasvadanam, Pado Navvadanam and Padon Ekvadanam. ओके तो बच्चों यहाँ पे आपको इंग्लिश गुजराती में तो टाइम आप देख सकते हो, पर संस्कृत में टाइम्स कैसे बोला जाता है वो आपको यहाँ पे दिया गया है. ओके एंड देन एग्ज़ाम्स में ऐसी कोई घड़ी आपको पूछी नहीं जाने वाली है कि जिसमें आपको टाइम्स देखना है. ओके एंड देन एक्सरसाइज में आपको घड़ी दी गई है, उसमें आपको टाइम्स लिखना है. तो फर्स्ट में कितने बजे हैं? सपात एक वादनम. सेकंड सार्ध सप्तवादनम. थर्ड वन पादोन द्विवादनम. फोर्थ वन सार्ध चतुर्वादनम. फिफ्थ वन सपात एकादशवादनम. पादोस षड्वादनम. सार्ध दशवादनम एंड पादोस पंचवादनम. एंड देन मैच ए विथ बी प्रॉपरली. फर्स्ट के साथ क्या आएगा? सपात चतुर्वादनम. एंड सेकंड सार्धस षड्वादनम. एंड थर्ड त्रिवादनम. एंड फोर वन सपात सप्तवादनम. एंड लास्ट वन पादोन नववादनम. ओके तो यहाँ पे जो आपका टाइम्स का चैप्टर्स है वो ख़त्म होता है. एंड देन डिस्कस द चैप्टर 9 आम्रम द्राक्षाफलम. आम्रम द्राक्षाफलम. द्राक्षाफलम मीन्स grapes. द्राक्षाफलम मीन्स द grapes are sure. एकः शृङ्गालः. शृङ्गालः मीन्स fox. There is a fox. एकः शृङ्गालः वनं गच्छति. The fox goes to the forest. सः वनं गच्छति. सः वनं गच्छति. The fox goes to the forest. पिपासा तस्यं बुभुक्षा. Bubuksha means hunger. Pipasa means thirsty. He is thirsty and hungry. Pipasaya bubukshaya vanam gacchati. He goes to the forest because he is hungry and thirsty. Saha vanam gacchati. He goes to the forest. किम च करोति. सः किम च करोति. किम च करोति. What does he do? What does he do? वामत पश्यति. दक्षिणतः पश्यति. वामत दक्षिणतः means right and वामतः means left. He looks the left and he looks right. अग्रतः पश्यति. पृष्ठतः पश्यति. अग्रतः पश्यति before. पृष्ठतः means behind. He looks before. He looks behind. श्वेत जायते. तृषा जायते. श्वेत sweets. श्वेत he sweets. He gets 30. इतः गच्छति. इतः here. He goes here. किमपि न लभते. He does not get anything. तत्रः गच्छति. He goes there. किमपि न लभते. He does not get anything. श्रान्तः जायते, खिन्नं जायते, he gets tired, he becomes sad. किं च पश्यति, सः किं पश्यति, and what does he see? पश्यति द्राक्षालतां, लतां means creeper, he sees creepera of grapes. सः पश्यति द्राक्षाफलं, he sees grapes उपरि उपरि लतासु, he sees fruits. दृश्यते च ततः फलम् and on creepers. अनुक्षणं तन्मुखे रसः जायते. अनुक्षणं means soon. तन्मुखे means in his mouth. अनुक्षणं तन्मुखे रसः जायते. The next moment his mouth waters. किं च करोति, सः किं च करोति, and what does he do and what does he do. एकवारम् उत्पतितति, द्विवारम् उत्पतति. उत्पतति means jumps and twice, 2 times. He jumps once, twice, 3, 4th. त्रिवारम् उत्पतति, पुनः पुनः उत्पतति. He jumps again and again, स्वेत् जायते, श्रमः जायते. He sweats. He gets tired. लभते न द्राक्षाफलं, he does not get grapes. किं च कथयति, and what does he say? आम्र द्राक्षाफलं, these grapes are sure. इत्येवं कथयति पलायते. पलायते, he runs. And then he runs away and he says in this way and runs away. Glossary. Pipasa means thirst, Bubuksha means hunger, Itaha tataha means here and there, Srantaha means tired, Dakshinataha on right side, Vamataha means on left side, Agrataha in front, Prushtataha behind, Shvedaha means sweet, Trusha thirst, Utpatati means jumps, Anukshanam means the next moment, and Ityettam means saying this. ओके तो बच्चों यहाँ पे आपका चैप्टर नंबर 9 ख़त्म होता है. तो चैप्टर नंबर 9 का जो भी ट्रांसलेशन है, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं एंड ब्लैंक MCQ, आई विल राइट ए notebook and send you a PDF. Please you will write in your Sanskrit notebook. Okay, thank you.